Excuse me here, I'm just trying to cut a deal. What do you want me to do?
Hello lovelies and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure that you subscribe and welcome. I look a little crazy because guess who I am? Don't say his name 3 times. That's all I can tell you. Today I am recreating a look that I did back in 2016. It was one of my favorite Halloween costumes that I got to do, and I got to wear it to work for our costume contest. So I will be showing you how to do this look, and let's get started. First, I am priming my face with my usual primer. I'm putting it all over and even down on my neck because we are putting foundation there also. For foundation, I'll be using this Morphe F120. This was actually way too light for me, which is kind of ironic since I'm already pale as hell, but I will be using it for his ghostly complexion. You just want to make sure that you blend everywhere, especially like on the sides by your hairline, and then down by your jaw and your neck also. Next, I'm taking my brow pomade and filling in my brows. You guys have seen me do this before. Bam, there it is. I just poked myself in the eye with the stupid sponge. Now on to eyelid primer. I am kind of putting it all over just because we are using a lot of eyeshadow all around our eyes. I will be using the Jaclyn Hill palette for 2 of the colors. First, I will be going in with the brown shade in Mocha. I am placing that Mocha color on the crease and the outside of my eye, kind of making like a circular pattern. With a fluffy brush, I'm just blending that out and getting the circular shape. You kind of want to go a little bit dramatic on the lower lash line because you do kind of want to look like a raccoon. After you have perfected looking like that you have gotten no sleep, we will move on to the purple eyeshadow. I am using it in the Melt Stack. It is called Promiscuous. You want to blend that in using the same technique that you did before with the brown. After that, we will be going back to the Jaclyn Hill palette and using the black shade in Abyss. You will want to put the black shade in the crease and the corners of your eye and then blend out. Using whatever eyeliner of your preference, you will need to make a thick line on your top lid. For my bottom waterline, I'm just using this e.l.f. pencil. For mascara, I'm using my always tried and true, the Too Faced Better Than Sex. You also want to do your lower lashes. Take your preferred concealer and put it underneath your eyes. Make sure not to get any of the makeup, and also below your eyebrows. And more blending. Yay, I didn't poke myself in the eye this time. With my powder, I am putting it all over, getting ready for the contour. I've had this bright green eyeshadow forever. I don't even remember where I got it from, but I am using that for some of the contour. Going back to the purple eyeshadow, we'll be using some of that for the contour also. And then to top it off, go back to the green and add a little bit more on top of the purple. Also, with keeping the green, I am taking my big fluffy brush and putting it up on my temples. You also want to put some of the green down on your neck on the sides. To finish, I am using the MAC lipstick in Men Love Mystery. I didn't want to ruin my hair with spray since it's so light, so I just chose this mossy green wig. Since the wig had been in the package for a while, it was giving me a little bit of issues. Instead of pants, I chose this striped dress to give it a little bit more of a vintage flair. I did get it at Hot Topic, but they do not sell it anymore. I also added in some vertical striped tights. So the dress already has some tulle on it, but I decided to be a little extra and put a petticoat underneath. Alright guys, so that was my Beetlejuice costume. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys later. Bye.